Hey guys, what's up? Okay, just wanted to give you an update of the plants and the tube roses that are growing. Can have a look at the bok choy. It's growing really nice. This is the holy basil, but it's bolting. It's another beautiful plant. This is moringa. It's growing. Let's look at the small raised bed. We've got the climbing beans. Started to pick up now. We've got lettuce and bok choy. We've got dwarf beans. Then over here, we've got red bell peppers. These plants are growing as well. And garlics over here. A few of the seeds are in process. I'll show it to you later. It's got our Brussels sprout. Got our peas, snow peas. Then we got the spearmint and the ginger and the cabbages. And now let's look at the bigger raised bed. We've got bok choy. We've got the climbing beans on both the ends. We got peas and tomatoes in the middle. Then things have started sprouting now. The salads and everything, so you can exactly see. So if we go outside, I'll show you guys. This is our turmeric. It's grown pretty nice. The sweet potatoes have taken over the whole area. And the hedge, these 5 trees that I've planted, they're growing pretty alright. So guys, we'll keep you posted regarding the Lahore chapter. Stay tuned and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Take care. Bye.